Introduction. Welcome to this instructional session. Today, we're diving into the operation and handling of a highly sensitive laboratory instrument, the high precision balance. This device is designed to measure extremely small quantities with exceptional accuracy. In this video, you'll learn how to set it up, operate it correctly, and maintain reliable weighing performance. What we will cover. In this guide, we'll walk through what the precision balance does, unpacking and preparing the instrument, installation and leveling, understanding the control menu, operation workflow, calibration, application modes, ideal working conditions, safety requirements, troubleshooting. What is in high precision balance? The precision balance uses electromagnetic force compensation to counteract gravity, allowing extremely accurate measurements. It is widely used in scientific research, quality control, chemical labs, and environments where microgram precision is required. Its enclosed chamber prevents air interference, ensuring stable and repeatable readings. Unpacking or preparation. When unboxing, check for external damage. Open the packaging carefully. Remove the balance with both hands. Take off protective coverings. Inspect for dents or loose parts. Verify accessories like the pan, ring, cord, and certificate. Read the user manual before switching on. Keep packaging for future transport. Installation or leveling. To set up the balance correctly, place it on a firm, level table. Adjust the leveling feet until the bubble is centered. Attach the weighing pan securely. Connect optional communication cables if required. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the instrument and allow it to stabilize at 0. Perform a test measurement to confirm accuracy. Proper installation ensures the balance performs accurately every time. Control menu or function overview. The balance includes various on-screen options such as weighing mode, counting mode, percentage mode, density measurement, animal weighing, parameter settings. You can also access calibration, data recording, and printing functions directly from the menu. The balance supports user login, data saving, and simple navigation for advanced measurement tasks. Operating the balance. To perform a weighing, turn on the balance. Ensure the chamber is clean. Wait for the display to stabilize. Press tare if using a container. Gently place your sample. Close the windshield. Wait for the stable reading symbol. Record the weight. Remove the sample carefully. For counting, percentage, and density modes, follow the prompts displayed on the screen. Calibration. The balance provides internal and external calibration options. Internal calibration performs automatically when conditions change. During external calibration, place the required weight only when instructed. Always ensure the balance is empty and stable before calibration. Application modes. The balance offers multiple modes for advanced tasks: weighing, counting samples, percentage comparison, density analysis for solids and liquids, animal weighing with averaged results, parameter adjustments for sensitivity, and environment. Each mode helps the user adapt the balance to different measurement requirements. Ideal working conditions. For best performance, place the balance on a flat, stable surface. Keep away from vibrations, fans, and drafts. Maintain recommended room temperature. Avoid direct sunlight. Handle samples carefully to avoid static. Allow warm-up before use. Keep the weighing chamber clean. Avoid weighing below minimum capacity. Environmental stability is essential for accurate results. Safety precautions. Important safety reminders: never exceed the balance's weight capacity. Do not attempt repairs yourself. Keep liquids away from the chamber. Replace damaged power cables immediately. Avoid operating in dusty or humid areas. Use only approved grounding cables. Clean gently using soft cloths. Provide proper ventilation around the instrument. Troubleshooting. For common issues: if display doesn't turn on, check the power supply. If readings drift, clean the pan and remove air drafts. If calibration fails, retry with stable conditions. If results are unstable, use vibration pads. Avoid operating near high humidity areas. Install the unit at a comfortable working height. These practices protect both the user and the instrument. This completes your full training guide on the high precision balance. By following the recommended setup, calibration routines, and safety precautions, you'll achieve reliable performance and long-term accuracy. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.